something. So we could go to Beach Club Villas in a studio, which is okay. You could do that and probably only do that for about maybe $5,000-6,000 for about $4,000. So it's doable. It is doable. I'm not going to say it's not doable, but I wouldn't be able to stay there for 14 days. I wouldn't get away with that. But I might get away with a week, 7 days, and then 7 days somewhere a bit cheaper, like at Universal.
Yeah, 7 days.
That would work. But how much time you have for the pool, I don't know.
But I'll use it. Oh, you will.
Do you know where we are? What's the CE? I need that. Centre box that.
What you're
So I
what?
can get in. Hey?
Why yours loading faster than mine is?
No.
I can access the booking reference too. Yeah, I can see it right here. 475 3951. Oh, guys, we're at the furthest away we can be. We're in Cedar. Cedar's right at the other end. No, not even
See
close.
it actually.
What?
It's right next to us.
Is that,
With this end, and that's what it means.
that's what we're dealing with?
Cedar 247.
3-bedroom new style woodland lodge. My drink. Oh, people leaving. You do a Friday to Monday.